Hi everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful flower earring pattern. It's quick, very easy to make and perfect for beginners. Let's jump right in. This is the material I have used to make the earrings. This is called pearl cotton and also called the embroidery thread. Along with that, I'm going to be using the 1.25mm crochet hook to make the earrings. But today in the tutorial, I'll be using the round rope yarn along with the 5mm crochet hook for you to see the stitches clearly. And let's get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. And then we need to chain 2 in the first round, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. And then we need to work 12 half double crochets inside the magic ring. To make the half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have completed 2 half double crochets here. Like that we will continue. This is the third half double crochet. Four, 5, 6, and if you feel like the magic ring is too big, you can just pull this tail a little to make it smaller, like so, and then continue. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring, like this. And then work a slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet of the round. Now this is the first half double crochet. Just make sure that this is the first stitch by counting the stitches from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is the 12th stitch. Okay, and then we are going to work a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. And then we will start with the second round, chain 1 and then go into the very same base stitch and work a single crochet into the same stitch. So insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. And then go into the next stitch and work a single crochet increase. So we need to work 2 single crochets into the same stitch. So insert the hook into the next stitch and work a single crochet. Again go into the very same stitch and work another single crochet. This is an increase. Again repeat the pattern. Go into the next stitch and work 1 single crochet. And go into the stitch after that and work 2 single crochets as an increase. 1 and 2. So we will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. 1, 1 and 2. 1, 1 and 2. Again 1, 1 and 2. Again 1, 1 and 2. This is the end of the round. And then I'm going to leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. Then we will see how to join this round. I'm going to use the yarn needle to join this round. So we will thread the yarn needle, and then I'm going to insert the needle into the 17th stitch. In total we have 18 stitches around, so if you count from this way, that is going to be the 17th stitch. So we will count and make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So this is the one before the last, and from this way that is going to be the second stitch. Okay, insert the needle into the second stitch, and then I'm going to go back into the very last stitch here again. After that we can just hide the tail in a few stitches. And if you count now, we need to have 18 stitches around. If I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. And then I'm going to join this color to complete the petals of the flower. Now to join the new yarn, what I'm going to do is just insert the hook into one loop of the stitch here. Now if you look at the stitches carefully, we have the front loop and the back loop here. I'm going to insert the hook only to the back loop. Okay, and then we will pull the new yarn through the stitch like this. Now we have a loop on our hook, and then to start with the next round we need to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3, and then we will go into the very same base stitch and work a treble crochet. To work the treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same back loop. I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. And then go into the back loop of the next stitch and work 2 treble crochets into the same stitch. So we will get started. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch here. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again work another treble crochet into the very same stitch. And then work another treble crochet into the next stitch here as well. Go into the back loop and work another treble crochet. So we will insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch and complete the treble crochet. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and go into the same stitch and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed the first petal of the flower. And then we will get started with the second petal. We need to go into the next back loop and work a slip stitch first to move the loop. So insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And work a treble crochet into the same stitch. And then work 2 treble crochets into the back loop of the next stitch. One, 2, and then again go into the back loop of the next stitch and work another treble crochet. And chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the same stitch. Just like that, I'm going to continue working the other petals as well. Work a slip stitch into the back loop of the next stitch, chain 3 and a treble crochet into the same stitch. Again 2 treble crochets into the next stitch, to the back loop, 1, 2, and again a treble crochet into the next back loop here, chain 3 and a slip stitch into the same back loop. Again we will work a slip stitch into the next back loop to start with the next petal. Like that, I'm going to continue working the other 3 petals as well. Now I have completed the very last petal here as well, and then we will leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that, use the yarn needle to join the round. What I'm going to do is just insert the needle into the first single crochet over here. Again go into the last stitch here as well to join. And then we can just hide the tail by running it through a few stitches like this. And this is what the final project will look like. Now this is the exact same thing I have done by using the pearl cotton material. Now we will see how to attach the pieces together to complete the earrings. I'm going to take a jump ring, open it up and attach it to a petal like this. And then I'm going to add this bead to decorate. This is completely optional. Then we will join the hook ear wire into the earring. Just like the same, we will attach the other one as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these gorgeous flower earrings with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials. See you in the next video.